Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. This is Solana right now. So Solana on the daily time frame is still continuing lower. We are looking for a potential $6 and a $4 as well. Yes, $4 is in play, and that's the monthly the weekly head and shoulders. So let me take you back to the weekly here, and you can see that it's very clear on a weekly time frame that you do have this left shoulder, the head, and that right shoulder, and that's what actually takes you down to $4 target. So for me personally, I've been telling you, I've written this cycle for you so that you don't get confused, and I want to change the spelling of this redistribution from a double I. By the way, it doesn't look professional. Now we look professional. There we go. So distribution here and a redistribution there. So it's a cycle. It's a market cycle. Okay, accumulation was being down here, went to the upside, and by the way, there was a falling wedge as well, and you pop out of that falling wedge, went up, made another pennant right here, a flag, and then you continue up. So in technical words, that's going to be a flag. In psychological phases or market phases, that's going to be a reaccumulation. This falling wedge down here was accumulation, and this head and shoulder that started up here was a distribution or a head and shoulder. You came down and you made this redistribution, and you're looking to come down, and finally we're looking for that phase known as accumulation, which is going to be an amazing place. So accumulation is not going to happen all of a sudden and you're going to go to the moon. We could actually spend some time in this region, and you're going to get some buying opportunities, because you could do something like this, spend time in between even $3 and $4 for quite a while, or maybe between this is a zone, okay, between $3 and $6 based on a higher time frame, right? So based on a lower time frame, this is a lot of price difference. Okay, that's like 100% price difference right there. Okay, for $3 to $6. But on a higher time frame, speaking about coming all the way from $248 to $49, that's just a zone, buying zone on a higher time frame. Because imagine if Solana ever goes back up to $250 and continue to $400, and you told people that you have two different people, and one says that I bought Solana near $3 and the other one says I bought at $6. What difference does it make when you're sitting at $400? You're gonna feel like, yeah, it's just the same thing, right? But when you're in a smaller time frame, you're gonna say, oh, you bought at $6, I bought at $3. Okay, fine. So that's how it is. So is accumulation gonna be held here? And I told you, I'm giving you a warning, and I'm gonna give you again. We don't want to see Solana going below $1.06. We're gonna be in deep trouble, deep waters, if Solana ever goes to $1.06. That's gonna be really bad. But based on the fundamentals, Google is implementing Solana on their Google Cloud and BigQuery, and I'm personally a software engineering student, so I know what Google Cloud really is. And they're like serverless cloud storages out there, one of the best cloud storages out there. Like, speaking of storages, Google is like the king of that. And at the moment, coming back here on the daily time frame, you can see that we're losing this particular price level. So you could expect a little bit of a push up to $13.9 or $14 in the next coming days. Just a small retest of this zone right there, come up a little bit to $13.9 or $14, liquidate a little bit, and then continue to go lower. Once again, for me, the bullish side is not anything in this zone. It's going to be when you go above $37 or $39 and cross above this level, then sentiments are going to be changed. Bitcoin is looking bad. The whole crypto is looking bad for a reason. But I think for me personally, I'm not going to take it as a fear, or I'm not going to give you any financial advice. But for me, I'm loving all this FUD going on, because that's how billionaires are made. And by the way, yeah, they say billionaires are made in a bear market, and that's very true. So yeah, enjoy the bear market, because you don't get it every day. It's amazing opportunities, always amazing opportunities. The fear, the everything. Do your own risk calculation, do your own investigation properly. I'm always on Discord, I'm always on Twitter. You can always come on Twitter. I'm in the Signals as well. My Signals member have been saving from this bear market. We're saving a lot of money. And that's pretty much it for this Solana video update. You can check it out. Always press the bell icon when you're subscribing to get these updates on your phone. Whenever I post a video, you're gonna get like a pop-up notification by pressing the bell icon. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.